How to use causative verbs in English.
Causative verbs show when the subject causes someone else to do something, and not doing it themselves. Causative verbs and their uses. Have is used for arrangements or services. Focus on the result. For example, I had the mechanic check the brakes. Get implies persuasion or effort. For example, he got his friend to lend him money. Make shows compulsion or emotional influence. For example, the movie made me cry. Let grants permission or allowance. For example, they let us enter without tickets. Tips. Use have or get plus object plus past participle when the action is done to the object. Use have, get, make, or let plus object plus base verb when the object performs the action. Think of causatives as showing who caused the action, and not who did it. Summary. Causative verbs have, get, make, and let help show who caused an action in English clearly and effectively. Thanks for watching. Practice these causative verbs to improve your English fluency.